Hi, this is Josh from MarineMax New York. Today we're going to look at a new arrival. This is a 2022 Scout 255 LXF. Just came into our property yesterday. We're going to take a quick walk through of this boat. You'll notice in the photos it has a midnight blue hull, which is a tremendous color. It's actually my favorite color Scout does. It looks amazing in the water. So we start here at the transom. You'll notice that we got 300 horsepower in the form of twin 150 Yamahas. Great power package for this boat. Should run really well. In addition, back here you also have this fold-away seat, which if you're bringing people on the boat is a fantastic option to have to open it up. Or if you're going to spend the day fishing and you need more room in the cockpit, easily folds away, gives you more space. Speaking of fishing, you'll notice this boat has a lot of rod holders. You have 5 here in the transom, you have 2 to the side, you have more in the leaning post, you have an easy accessible live well right here. In addition to the rod holders and the live well, you also have storage right here in this drawer for fishing accessories, tackle, whatever you'd like to put in there. And another spot down here you have additional storage for tackle spots. As we move forward to the helm, you notice that we do have a large Garmin multifunction display screen, Yamaha gauge readout, onboard VHF radio, easy to push buttons that Scott does really well, twin leaning post here with flip up bolsters. Notice the contours of these bolsters make it really comfortable when you're underway to lean against them and keeps you in place as you're going. Great idea by Scout. Helm is nicely pointed, very nice looking helm. So we move forward to the bow. You have 2 lounge style seats up here at front, nicely upholstered, very comfortable. Backrest will pull out, very easy if you want to do that. Additional seat here in front of the center cockpit. Moving forward, quick access easy table, just folds out like that. And another neat feature is this boat does come with the windlass anchor and foot controls. Makes it really easy if you want to deploy the anchor while you're standing on the bow. In addition to the foot controls, we also have them at the helm. As we step back, we'll take a look underneath the center cockpit and check out the head. As you'll see, there's a lot of space on a boat this size, 25 foot, but a full-size head. You also have your breakers, your battery switches, and your fusion head unit. All nicely pointed by Scout. This boat just came in. It's probably not going to last long. If you want to come down here at our hunting location and check it out, please do, or you can give us a call and one of our sales team will be happy to assist you with any questions. My name is Josh. Look forward to hearing from you.